Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. And Crypto Corner is also sponsored by Genesis Blockchain Technologies, or GBT. GBT is a powerful cryptocurrency centralized-decentralized exchange, which will include a broad range of services and benefits from cryptocurrency and blockchain markets development, while avoiding complications and risks arising from cryptocurrency ownership, transfer, and exchange. You can download the Genesis Exchange and Wallet app at Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Learn more at www.mygenesis.io. JP is launching a digital token known as the JPM coin, which will be used to settle payments between clients, according to a report from CNBC. The move comes as part of the bank's transition to blockchain technology from wire transfers. Omar Farouk, the head of JP Morgan's blockchain projects, commented, quote, "So anything that currently exists in the world, as that moves onto the blockchain, this would be the payment leg for that transaction. The applications are quite frankly endless. Anything where you have a distributed ledger which involves corporations or institutions can use this," end quote. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has withdrawn a proposed ETF submitted by Reality Shares ETF Trust, according to an official letter. The ETF application was filed on February 11, 2019, and outlined in its principal investment strategy Bitcoin futures contracts of various maturities listed for trading on U.S. exchanges that provide exposure to the price movements of Bitcoin. Chinese tech titan Baidu has launched the decentralized application development system Baidu Blockchain Engine, according to an announcement from Baidu Cloud. A loose translation of the announcement reads, quote, "The Baidu Blockchain Engine, or BBE, uses the pluggable blockchain framework to provide developers with complete multi-chain, middle-tier, and various contract templates, dApp templates, and other services to make the development of blockchain business systems faster and simpler," end quote. Cointelegraph reports that Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, or EEA, has opened a regional office in China. The EEA is a member-driven standards organization whose charter is to develop open blockchain specifications that drive harmonization and interoperability for businesses and consumers worldwide. The article reads, quote, "Weijia Zhang, Vice President of Engineering at blockchain interoperability startup Wanchain, has been appointed as the head for the new regional office. Zhang will reportedly be responsible for supporting the advancement and adoption of EEA standards by taking part in local hackathons, workshops, training sessions, and conferences," end quote. And the Jakarta Post reports that Indonesia has issued additional regulations on the crypto space which impact the trading of cryptos and Bitcoin futures. For futures, the new legislation requires a minimum deposit of $5.7 million US, as well as a minimum paid-up capital of 100 billion rupiah, or $7.13 million US. And as for exchanges, a minimum capital of 1 trillion rupiah, which is $70.9 million US, is required, with a minimum paid-up capital of 800 billion rupiah, or $56.7 million US dollars. Reuters reports that crypto traders are concerned about the prohibitively high prices. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, NextID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.